Hi, we're Valley Forge Middle School, and we're here at Omega Design Corporation for What's So Cool About Manufacturing. I'm Sam Wang.
I'm Krishna Menon. I'm Andy Stewart.
And I'm Will Christman.
Now let's go inside and check it out. For the What's So Cool About Manufacturing contest, Valley Forge Middle School toured Omega Design Corporation and interviewed people from different branches of the company. Omega is a container handling expert that creates machines to bottle, package, and ship all forms of bottles, cartons, cases, and more. They focus on precision and speed, as well as customizing for all the customers' needs. We have a great time at Omega, and here are the highlights of our trip.
Omega has a wall with every bottle that their machines had ever handled, which has over 10,000 various bottles, cases, vials, and other containers. The wall stretches an entire side of the facility and makes an amazing piece to look at while in the factory. We recognize many famous household brands on the list, which shows the success that Omega has had.
Yeah, Ian Engelberg. I'm a senior mechanical engineer here at Omega. Work on a lot of R&D, new designs and concepts. Evaluate new technologies. One of our most recent ones have been 3D printing.
At Omega, 3D printing is used to make various parts of machines. Not everything in the machine is 3D printed though, as a 3D printer cannot print everything, and it takes some time to do so. Before things are 3D printed, they're put into a 3D model editing software.
This is a pouch desiccant feeder. The pouch desiccant feeder takes a reel of pouches, and we run them through our machine to cut them into individual pouches that will then be placed into bottles. So what we'll do here is show you the machine running, and I can actually take you over here and actually show you exactly how they get into the bottles then. So we have there's 3 motors here that are actually making this work. There's a stepper motor on the top, a stepper motor on the bottom wheel, and a stepper motor actually rotating that knife to cut it. The actual speed and feed of it is slower. This is running at about 50 a minute. This machine actually will run up to about 150 a minute. This is our low-cost machine. So you have some people that don't want to run really fast and are just looking to get into the lower end of the industry. They just run slow. They just want to put a desiccant in a bottle. So we have this option as a low-cost machine. We do have another machine that actually runs with servo motors, which is it's basically a computer-based motor that always gives continuous feedback. That actually runs up over 600 a minute. So you can imagine if this is 50 and you have 600, we've actually put them in bottles at 600 a minute.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.